Hardwood flooring continues to be one of the most elegant and long-lasting choices for modern homes. And in 2026, color trends are shifting toward warmth, balance, and natural beauty. Designers are moving away from extreme tones and focusing on shades that feel inviting, versatile, and timeless. In this video, we'll explore the hardwood floor color trends for 2026 and help you choose the best modern and classic wood flooring shades for every type of home. Warm, natural tones make a strong comeback. In 2026, warm natural wood tones are leading hardwood flooring trends. Shades inspired by oak, maple, and walnut are becoming designer favorites because they add warmth without feeling heavy. These colors create a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere while still looking clean and modern. Warm tones work beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and open-plan spaces, making them a safe yet stylish long-term investment. Light wood shades for modern interiors. Light wood flooring continues to dominate modern interior design. Soft beige, pale oak, and natural blonde shades are popular for their ability to make spaces feel larger and brighter. These colors reflect natural light and pair effortlessly with neutral walls, minimalist furniture, and contemporary decor. Designers often recommend light wood shades for apartments and smaller homes where openness and simplicity are key. Medium tones for timeless elegance. Medium-toned hardwood floors are considered the most timeless choice in 2026. Balanced shades that sit between light and dark offer flexibility and longevity. These floors add depth to interiors without overpowering the space, making them ideal for homeowners who want a classic look that won't go out of style. Medium tones adapt easily to changing decor trends, offering both modern and traditional appeal. Dark wood shades with a refined approach. Dark hardwood floors are still relevant in 2026, but designers are using them more selectively. Deep walnut and rich espresso tones are being paired with lighter walls and furniture to maintain balance. When used correctly, dark floors create a dramatic, high-end look that feels luxurious and refined. These shades are best suited for spacious homes with good natural lighting. Matte finishes enhance wood color trends. Finish plays a major role in how hardwood floor colors appear. In 2026, matte and low-sheen finishes are preferred for their natural and authentic look. These finishes reduce glare, highlight wood grain, and help floors age gracefully over time. Matte finishes also make maintenance easier by hiding scratches and daily wear. Neutral undertones for long-term value. Designers in 2026 recommend choosing hardwood floors with neutral undertones. Avoiding overly red or yellow hues ensures the flooring remains versatile and timeless. Neutral undertones allow wood floors to blend seamlessly with various interior styles and color palettes. This approach protects your investment and keeps interiors looking modern for years. Hardwood floor color trends in 2026 focus on natural warmth, balanced tones, and timeless appeal. Whether you prefer light, medium, or dark shades, the key is choosing a color that complements your space and lifestyle. The right hardwood floor color doesn't just enhance your home, it defines its character and comfort.